play? Do you wanna rob a bank? Do you wanna fight? Do you wanna eat? Do you wanna eat?
I'm about to eat, yo, y'all know my tacos, bro? Yo, you got my tacos, bro? Yo, you want my bro?
He has it, bro.
Who? Yo, who the fuck?
Jaquan.
What are you doing here?
I don't think you're meant to be here.
Basically, I'm meeting someone now.
I don't think you're meant to be here.
I'm
I don't think you're meant to be here.
meeting someone.
I don't think you're meant to be here. School. 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 You got school. You got school.
Can never take this guy out in public. Saw, dude!
How much does the chimney cost?
How much?
Free. It's on the house.
Hi, thank you for Popeye. This is Cynthia speaking. Make sure you have exact cash report and keep it popping. You hear me?
Whoa, now, how you doing?
I'm doing fine. Keeping it real over here. That's what we do. What can I get you, baby?
Always keep it real. Let me get
That's what I'm talking about.
Let me get a number 8, please.
Number 8. Okay, that's a 3 tender. Spicy or mild?
Spicy.
And what side of you gonna back that thing up for them saints this year?
Barbecue.
And what side of you gonna drop it like it's hot?
Red beans.
And what kind of drink you gonna set it off with?
Strawberry no ice.
Strawberry Fanta off the rocks?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else? Cajun rice or coleslaw?
That's it, love. Trying to wash that waistline.
Say that then, watch that waistline, you hear me? So that's a 3 spicy tender with the red bean, barbecue sauce, twerk that thing with strawberry off the rocks, you hear me? 927, keep it real, ride it out, baby. You already know.
You already know, love.
Alright, come around, honey dumpling.
Dude, sick car. What do you do for a living?
Oh, thanks, man. Glad you asked. I'm actually the valet.
You got my keys?
Yep, got your keys. Thank you, sir. Can I get you a water?
No, I'm good. Just
Alright.
touch the handles.
Take care.
My boy Mike, man. Big champ right here, man. Have a good day, bro, right?
Why didn't Emma go to South America for the summer? She heard it was chilly.